iced tea, Dad?
We ordered orange and we thought.
Yeah, you see record?
Are they all?
Welcome back to our channel. This is Rose Farmer.
And welcome.
You're not Farmer. And this is Rickard. And you're watching the Team Farmer. And if you're just new to our channel, guys, please do click subscribe and the bell button to be updated with our new videos. So today, guys, we will be doing unboxing with our packages from Amazon. So yeah. So right now. Okay, which one do you not open first, Renwa?
This one.
That one? Okay. Come on, Rickard. Come on in. And then let's open this one first. Like a priority mail kind of. No, that's scissor na.
Smooth.
Yeah, dali. Let's open it. Hoy! Come on, guys. We're supposed to do unboxing. Hoy! Oh, diba? Nag-alis sila. Dali, let's unboxing kami. You're supposed to help mommy. Oh, dali.
Oh, give it, mommy. So let's put this backward a little bit so that it won't fall on me. So, okay, let's see. What was that, your dinosaur? So, careful. Is this for me, right? Oh, powdered milks, it says. There's my powdered milk. It's your powdered milk.
Tan! O, diba? Alagang Bear Brand. Yeah, we ordered some because we love Bear Brand. O, diba? O, nabalis. We got 3 packs of Bear Brand.
No,
We got 3. Even though we haven't got this kind of milk. So, yeah. So, here's the
powder.
Okay, that's the first package. So let's see. Let's open the others. So let's put it on the side. So what's next now?
This one.
Oh, let's open the one. This one first. So let's open the second small package. And then face the camera. Oh, don't. It's not a balloon, Rickard. Don't ride on it. Oh, face the camera now. Oh, don't cover the camera, I mean. Sit here, buddy. So that you can see the camera too. Yeah, which one do you know? Second package. O, diba? Sa mukha. No, mommy will do it na because you get away with this na. No, Rickard. Dali, mommy will open it, dali. Mommy will open it, dali. Can you help mommy?
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, you can look. Can you help me?
Yeah,
Okay.
but not so hard.
Not so hard. What's in here? I'll cut whatever's in here. Iced tea. It's an iced tea. More iced tea. How many packages of iced tea did you cut?
I thought I could go. Oh, just got 4.
It says iced tea. When it says iced tea, I thought Daddy already got his iced tea. I'll break it.
See, we ordered orange and we thought.
Yeah, you see Rickard?
Are they all intact?
Yeah, they are.
Are they broken ones?
No?
Huh.
I assume this is not the one because this is not the this is together with this one. Like,
Yeah, they got here before he whenever they were sitting here together.
yeah.
Check your.
I can't check it yet. Oh, di ba na? Now try to unbox it. Very good. Dali, because we not get the way. No, no. Dali. So here's our third box. Okay. Let's open it. Can you help mommy? Here's our third box. Don't find record.
It's really squishy.
It's squishy. Let's see. I think I have an idea what's in this.
Alright. What happened? Yeah.
You have an idea?
Whoa, whoa, it's whoa, 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 whoa,
Oh no.
whoa. You don't believe it.
Ready?
What?
Let's see. Ta-da! Bubble wrap! Bubble wrap! Yeah, I'm right. So, I got this for our next videos to do. It's a game. So, yeah, it's like an egg surprise kind of thing. So, yeah, it's the egg surprise kind of thing.
What is this?
Wait. Yeah, this is the charger, like, no, not charger. Yeah, socket charger for the light that I got because I bought lights. Yeah, so these are some of the snacks mukbang we will be doing in the future. And here's some too. Look, don't may lagi siyang package. I thought it will be bigger. So yeah, next. I thought there's 3 of them. Oh, I guess there's the other one. So yeah, there's another one. I guess it's like 3 different snacks from different countries I got. So yeah. So what else? Oh, I assume this last one is the light. I thought it would be taller than this, but yeah. Let's open it. So yeah, this is the last box that's in the big box. Let's see. Oh, so gamay siya. I assume this is the stand. It is the stand.
Another stand you got.
Yeah. Looks like the stand for holding the light. Yeah. Oh, just like that other one na. Looks like.
Oh.
Rigard! Rigard, no! Wait, I'll do it.
It's mom.
Yeah. So, can you see guys how tall it is?
Huh?
So, yeah, this one is, oh, why siya nga light? I thought it will be smaller than this, like, my first, like, but yeah, this is nice. So, yeah, this light, what are you doing? Come close to me, babe. Look, on the camera. So, yeah, this is like LED light kind of light for here. Malargo na siya butang. Let's open it. So yeah, this comes with like filter kana nga line siya color. Nga pwede siya green, red ang light. Red, yellow, green, whatever. So yeah, let's check out the inside. Unsa siya pagkaon sa. Hi, Richard. Yeah, so this light has adjustable buttons, like on, off, or how bright the light would be.
Look.
So nara siya screw, ay sorry love. Nga siya like screw kind of thingy here to put up here, I assume. Yeah. Oh yeah. I assume it will go like this. Yeah. So yeah, it's how this is how it goes, and just plugged this into the charger I got for this. So yeah. So I got in this package. There's three of them. It's a set already. So yeah, para makasave compared just getting one at a time. So yeah. Yeah, I know. We'll do this in the next video na. We'll do these are like letters and shapes thingy kind of bit. I will do for them. Oh, numbers. So yeah. Fergus is lying on the oh, those are shapes, yeah. So let's put this back in because I don't need it just yet. Be careful na. Breno, be careful na. I can have this na. Where's the plastic? Does this come with plastic? Saan mo siya pag-uli? Nadi ako kibaw mo uli. Gahi oy. It is. So yeah, let's put it back. Oh, here's the charger I'm talking about. So yeah, let's put it back there. You are really excited? Yeah. Do you want to do that today?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Oh, bali na siya lang. You're really excited?
Yeah. So open this.
Okay. But we'll do that in a separate video na. Because the video got too long already. So, yeah, let's put this back in. So yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!